Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Trifan here. In this video I'm going to unbox the DJI Mic Mini, and it is wrapped it inside a very small and convenient pouch. This is the USB-C to USB-A cable for charging, and these are two furry windscreens, the black and the gray. The gray one is said to be useful for the heavy wind, strong wind scenario when you shoot outdoor. There is a whole set of DJI mic. It includes the charging box, two transmitters, one receiver, and a USB cable, and everything in it. If you have a small budget, you can just only buy the mic like this. And this is a DJI Mic Mini. It's very small. It's the size of the thumb, so it is easy to flip off your hand when you hold it without paying attention. There are two ways to put it on your shirt. One is to clip it on your shirt using the clip mechanism clip, or you can use the magnetic piece to put inside your shirt and put the microphone outside. And this is a charger. This is so small too. It's just a little bit bigger than the thumb size. So it is made with magnetic base, so it can securely hold the mic tightly and in place, and to charge it properly. You can see that in the bottom there are two prongs to contact with the contact of the mic. It's only one size you can put it in the base, the charging base. If you put the other size, it won't come in. So I can say this is a smart design that the charging base can hold and charge the mic efficiently. And these are all I can find in the pouch. So to sync it or to connect it, you have to power on the multifunctional module first. And on the mic, you have to power on the mic by pressing the power button until you see the green flashing light. And then you have to hold the link button and keep pressing the link button and put it close to the multifunctional module. It takes about a few seconds to sync the mic and the multifunctional module. Once connected, you can see the green light stops flashing. You can still see the second green light flashing. This is for the second mic. If you have two mics, and then you can repeat the same procedure to sync the second mic. There are only two buttons on the Mic Mini. One is the power button and the other one is the link button. It is used to connect or to link to the multifunctional module. It is not all the DJI mic can sync with this multifunctional module. Like I have DJI mic wireless dual channel system. I try to sync it, but it doesn't sync. And you can see that it doesn't sync even though I power on and I press the link button for a period of time, but it's still flashing. Green light is still flashing. It means that it cannot be synced. So I keep pressing until you keep holding the link button. It won't connect to the multifunctional module, and it automatically turns off. I have to turn it on again and continue trying to connect them, but impossible. Currently only Mic Mini and Mic 3 can be connected to the multifunctional module that comes with the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. As my understanding, only Mic Mini and Mic 3 can be connected to the module. You know that the size of the microphone is very small. It's just about the size of the thumb. So when you hold it, it could flip it off your finger. So there are two ways to put the microphone on your shirt. You see the clip here? You can open the clip and clip it on your shirt. You can close up your shirt. And it's very light. It's only 10 grams, so it won't pull down your shirt like the other microphones, which are very large and heavy. But this one is only 10 grams, so it's very light. It won't pull down your shirt. Another way to mount or to put the microphone on your shirt is to remove this magnet one. Remove this and put inside your shirt and put the microphone outside. This is how you can put it on your shirt. Testing. You can see that the microphone indicator, it depends on the sound. If the sound is too loud, the indicator will come up to the very right. The sound could be recorded very loud, and the recorded sound could be broken in the playback. The good thing is that you see that there are two buttons here. One is the power button and the other one is the link button. When you put the link button, it will stop recording. You can see that on the phone, it stopped recording. And you press the link button again, it resumes recording. It's very convenient. You don't have to use gesture, or you don't have to use the voice command. Just press the link button one, you stop recording. And whenever you want to record, just press the link button again, it resumes recording. And when it is fully charged, it can use up to 12 hours, so it's very convenient. Now I'm going to talk about the furry windscreen. There are two furry windscreens. One is the gray one and one is black. And it is said that the gray one is very useful when recording in a big wing environment. And this is how you can put the windscreen onto the mic. And you can see that in the bottom of the windscreen there is a clip, the plastic clip with the two little pins on the side and two little pins on the bottom. You have to put that two little pins into the two holes on the mic and press it in, and until you hear click, and you know that it is securely locked and it won't fall off. While charging, just plug into the charging base. When being charged, you can see that the green light flashing, and when it is fully charged, it turns solid green for a while and then it turns off. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to get fully charged. And that's it for the video. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.